Here's a true space story that sounds like science fiction. In 1977, NASA launched two small spacecraft, Voyager 1 and Voyager 2. Their original mission was simple: fly past the giant planets and send pictures home. At the time, nobody expected them to still be working decades later. Voyager 1 raced past Jupiter and Saturn, then kept going and going. In 1990, as it was leaving the solar system, astronomer Carl Sagan convinced NASA to turn the camera around for one last photograph. From nearly 4 billion miles away, Voyager took a picture of Earth. Earth wasn't a globe. It wasn't even a dot. It appeared as a tiny speck suspended in a sunbeam, less than a pixel wide. Sagan later called it the pale blue dot. Every human who had ever lived, every king, farmer, artist, scientist, athlete, and explorer had lived their entire lives on that nearly invisible speck. The story gets even stranger. Voyager 1 kept traveling for another 22 years. Then, in 2012, it crossed into interstellar space, becoming the first human-made object to leave the protective bubble created by the sun. It was now traveling through the space between the stars. Today, Voyager 1 is more than 15 billion miles from Earth. A radio signal moving at the speed of light takes over 22 hours to reach it, and another 22 hours for the reply to come back. A simple "are you okay?" and "yes" conversation takes almost 2 days. The spacecraft carries a gold-plated record called the Golden Record. It contains sounds and images of Earth, greetings in dozens of languages, music, whale songs, and even the sound of a heartbeat. No one expects aliens to find it. Space is unimaginably vast. But the record serves another purpose. It's a message from humanity saying, we were here. Long after every building standing today has crumbled, long after our languages have changed beyond recognition, Voyager may still be drifting through the darkness, carrying evidence that a small civilization once lived around an ordinary star. In a sense, it's the furthest traveling artifact our species has ever created. A bottle tossed into a cosmic ocean, still sailing nearly 50 years after it left home.